The PNI Clementine 8450 BT car radio is an optimal and affordable solution for anyone who either does not have an MP3 player, in-car radio, or has an old generation CARKIT and wants to upgrade to a newer generation with better performance. So you can listen to your favorite songs just by copying them from your laptop, notebook, or PC to a microSD memory card or USB stick and connecting them in your car to the PNI Clementine 8450 BT. You can enjoy a very good audience thanks to the multi-side sound settings such as the Equalizer or preset settings and the maximum musical power of 4x45 watts. To complete your comfort, the device comes with Bluetooth and a CARKIT hands-free function where you can connect and talk safely on the phone. The remote from the package allows the remote controls with a screen that shows the names of the songs, and why not connect an amplified subwoofer with RCA connections on the back? We can say that the PNI Clementine 8450 BT car audio automatically gives the user a pleasant sonic experience and the option of using hands-free CARKIT to talk safely while driving thanks to the versatility and modern features it is equipped with.